light switch in your home that needs to be in the on direction at all times? Well, this could be something like for a security camera or a refrigerator or another appliance that needs to be in the on position. You should consider one of these. So this is something that I purchased from Amazon, and it is so quick and easy. This one came in a pack of 2, but it is basically this little sleeve that you would put over your light switch. And it is so easy to do. So all you have to do is remove the 2 screws that are on the switch that you want. And it is so easy. We're going to do it right now. So once they're removed, all you have to do is put this there. So it has a little opening, so if for some reason you want to like manually put your finger through and turn it off or on, you can, but typically you don't have to worry about anyone accidentally turning it off and on. So I'm going to put the opening to the right side of it. Oh no, actually I think I'll put it to the left side. So now all you have to do is sit it there and then put the screws back where they originally were. Voila. This is such an easy home hack. Now, as you can tell, I have these old plastic white switch plate covers here, but it even works on like your decorative ones as long as you have like the 2 screws. And I think it looks way better than having like a piece of tape over it or a piece of paper over it. I will put a link to the little plastic covers below in the comment section or in the description, but they can be purchased on Amazon and you can make this change in literally like 2 minutes. Thanks.